Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we'll be making a gorgeous wildflowers-inspired moss teacup. Not only would this make a beautiful centerpiece, but it's also a great gift for Mother's Day. What better way to say thank you than with a handmade creation that's going to remind that special someone in your life of how much you love them. So let's go ahead and get started. For this DIY, we'll need hot glue, a foam ball, silk flowers, wire cutters, butterfly stickers, artificial succulents, and of course a moss teacup or vase. We'll be using purple and lavender silk baby's breath flowers, and these bushes have over 32 flowers per stem, so they make great filler flowers as well. Now we're just taking a few branches off the main bush and pushing the leaves up because we'll need about 3 inches of stem to put these flowers into the foam ball later. We're also adding some other silk flowers to mix it up a little. And of course adding artificial succulents, because who doesn't love those, right? With these, we're taking the succulent flowers off the thicker stem and we're going to use our hot glue to attach them to a thinner wired stem, because again, adding them to the foam ball later will be much easier with a longer stem. For our base, we're using moss teacup planter boxes with burlap ribbon and beads. When you first receive them, if they are a little squished, just adjust them a little bit. They're very easy to work with, and they do come 2 per pack. Because we're using silk flowers, we'll need a foam ball as a base, but as you can see, the moss teacup has that plastic lining inside, so you can use fresh flowers too. Just be careful not to poke through the lining with the wired stems if you do plan on using it later. So now we're adding our silk baby's breath and silk flowers, and of course the artificial succulents into that foam ball. Now this DIY is also so easy to customize because maybe your mom loves daisies or daffodils. You can add her favorite flowers or flowers that remind you of her, or maybe ones in her favorite color. It's all up to you. We're just adding plenty of that silk baby's breath to give the centerpiece that wild spring meadow look. And if you want the centerpiece to look even fuller, make sure that you steam the silk flowers before adding them. We do have a great video on how to do just that. We'll add it in the cards and in the description below. And as you can see with the artificial succulents, that green is going to give our design a pop of fresh color against the purple. And for a bit of fun, we're adding 3D butterfly stickers. These are so cute. They come in a variety pack, so you'll have large and small butterflies to choose from, and the stickers are included, so you just need to attach one to the butterfly right in the middle, peel off the adhesive, and then add it to the flowers. We added 2, but feel free to add more. You could create a whole butterfly garden. So there we are, our centerpiece is complete, and we're ready to say thank you to our moms or grandmothers or anyone who's made your life special. And because those moss teacups come with 2 per pack, you can make one for you, one as a gift. You can add these to your home for spring and summer, or use them as table decorations for an event. So many things. And if you end up making this gift for Mother's Day, let us know in the comments. We'd love to see your creation. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.